according to the word of the Lord God by Moses. Bakit ho dinediinan ho yun? Naalala nyo yung Passover? Kung gusto nyo balikan, puntahan nyo sa Exodus 12, nandun yung instruction.
Kasi yung mga operations before is we did it following also the protocol. So laging sinusunod po yung ating protocol. But we have to understand that with the recent changes po sa ating
total of 25 energy refund instead of just the 5. This essentially gives you 99.9% uptime on our ultimate, with the exception being when there's no smaller enemies to break. E2 is an increased toughness reduction of her first 2 hits, to the summer patch. Surf's up, dude! Wicked! Rampa's super break potential is incredibly high, and she works with every team that Firefly does. Her biggest downsides are that 1, as of this video, we only have 1 super
しょんぼりしてるね相棒元気を出してお腹いっぱいヒック
Di ba para sa mission yun? Opo. Eh bakit mo pinagaganda? Gusto ko maganda eh. Sabi niya, anak, kaninong pera yan?
Koko ga deguchi mitai. Hayaku ikou.
We've been so blessed to have so many relic sets work on break characters, and
as part of our ASEAN cooperation.
Maricel Halili, TV5.
Good morning, Sir, Director.
気をつけろ。これも邪水どもの妖術だ。今助けてやる。歯を食いしばれ。両乱空手。いずれ風に吹き落とされる。アドリブで生きるために。
materials and the seeming organization of the structure suggests that further investigations are needed to fully understand the origins and nature of this underwater enigma. There are many more
to bring in more goods to the affected areas due to the roads which are non-possible. So I think as we speak,
demeanor niya nung tuwing tinanong ko sila, isa't isa, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin, pagkakataon niya na, lahat naman I invoke my right to remain silent and against self-incrimination.
Lang sanghari, tama yung ginawa niya. Now, for in the 8th year of his reign, while he was still youth, kung 8th year ng kanyang paghahari, 8 taon siya na... Siyempre, mga kaibigan niya, ang ginawa niya, nag-aral sa 11 minaster niya ang geometry, trigonometry, and serving by the time he was 16.
Appeal sa Department of Justice at yung ilan sa kanila ay may kaso na rin o nagtetestigo sa mga kaso kahit pa sa Amerika kung saan may 4 na kasong.
Iba. Nagkakandid yan. So pag sandaling napapahiram ko, nabibigay ko attention sa iba, magagalit siya. Kasi hindi yan para sa akin. Sa kanya yan. Kaya sa'yo. Kaya, huwag mong sayangin. Hindi ko sinasabing huwag kang maging magpakasaya. Nag-i-enjoy ka naman kahit wala yan eh. Pero,
Lapit tayo, lalo na kung mga siksikan, no, sa mga transport.
airborne.
Hindi siya airborne na malayo yung takbo ng hangin. Pero kung yari, sa isang mga kotse na siksikan o jeep, ganyan.
Mama, si yung epekto ni Bagyong Christine, bago pa naramdaman, sa Bicol alone, we had 170,000 na pirasong family food pack. Nakakalat yan.
Are remarkably smooth and flat, with clean, straight edges that suggest a high level of technical skill and meticulous planning. This level of craftsmanship
Saya, no? Lolo pala niya, sama ng ugali. No, hindi lang yon. Si Amon, yung tatay niya, was 22 years old when he became king and he reigned 2 years in Jerusalem.
会いたい。なんという狡猾な罠。ここには邪水だけではなく暗鬼も飛び交っているというのか。青春を謳歌するなんてうちにぴったりなシナリオじゃん。
折り紙大学は宇宙に名を馳せるトップクラスの芸術教育機関だと聞いている。俺もぜひ見学す。
Will be protracted all the way to the first quarter of next year. So naka-ready ho tayo. In fact, we're already keeping an eye out already on the second storm that's brewing sa eastern seaboard natin, and we know na marami pang darating.
Banana, banana, banana.
Kapuso, tutok lang kayo palagi dito sa inyong pambansang morning show kung saan laging una ka. Unang hit. Narinig po kami tayo para sa inyo sa karin.
ng malakas na hangin dito sa bayan ng Kasiguran sa Aurora. Kaya naman kahit gabi na ay lumilikas pa rin ang mga residente. Buong gabi na binayo
allowed observers to read the water level as it rose or fell against the column. Another keyhole ancient marvel is the Saudi Arabia geoglyphs. The keyhole some might deem a celestial visitor. Today, there are museums in Japan that even show a recreation of the vehicle encountered in 1803,
Tignan natin. And when he reigned 31 years in Jerusalem. So, 31 siyang taong namuno sa Jerusalem. Nakukuha ninyo. At ano kayong klaseng pamumuno ang kanyang Chronicles, tingnan nyo, yan ay isa sa mga trend kasi. O, si Manase, yung pinaka-lolo ni lolo ni, tawag dito, ni Josiah. 12 years old naman when he became.
Actually, Ate Susan, hindi yung overdose yung mas kinakatakutan dito. Ang kinakatakutan natin yung antimicrobial resistance.
Ano po ibig sabihin nun?
Ganong Olympics nang nangyayari ngayon, no? Yung mga microbial, yung mga
Lumalaban.
Oo.
which are too precise and smooth to be made with primitive tools. The purpose of these is unknown. In fact, the entire site is restricted and visiting it is impossible.
Peter Jr., panoorin nyo rin yung sa kanyang verse, napakandam niya sinabi na hindi ko kayang sabihin kasi personal niya yung mga account. Pero nakakatuwa. Where do you spend most of your time? Schedule. Where do you spend most of
Swallowed by the sea, lending a mythical allure to the idea that Yonaguni could be a remnant of such a lost world. One such story is the lost ancient
Pero naging biktima naman. Kaya nga sa aming talaan, we're using the basis ng request ng mga local government units sa amin. Right now, ang total request sa buong region-wide, ay nasa
yun. Nasabi niya, when the king heard the words of the law, he tore his clothes. Grabe yung fear niya kay God, no? Nung makita niya na yung word. Kasi hinanap nila eh. Nung narinig niya, pinulit siya kagad.
Ng update si Pag-asa is paiba-iba yung track ng bagyo. And the rain bands of the typhoon is paiba-iba rin. Kaya yung adaptability ng operations ni NAPOC is we recently amended the dam protocols po, and this is also in line with the directive of our president. So prior to our amendment, we thought it was enough that
Kung 16 years old siya, 4 na taon, ilang taon na siya? 20. Tama? So pansin niyo, as he was seeking the Lord, he began to realize, teka muna, kung lahat ng ito hindi tamang Diyos, kailangan
According to his research, the formations on Yonaguni show evidence of human modification, such as the deliberate carving of the rocks, consistent spacing and dimension.
Feet causes you to cut it off. Ano sinasabi niya? Tigilan mo na. Hindi naman literal na puputulin, no? Kailan mo puputulin? Paanong klase? Padahan-dahan? Talagare? O tabak?
学校っぽくはないけどどこかで見たような形。それにあれは何？生きるために！どの勝利も苦労の賜物だよ。
Doc, ito kapag may baha, madalas nating naririnig yung leptospirosis.
Yes.
Pakipaliwanag nga ano po.
Neta sa Quezon City kagabi. Malakas ang paglagasa ng baha sa kalsada na di na nadaanan ng mga motorista. Nagbaha rin sa E. Rodriguez Corner G. Araneta kagabi. Ilang sasakyan ang naiwan na lang nakapark.
Doc, ito kapag may baha, madalas nating naririnig yung leptospirosis.
Yes.
Pakipaliwanag nga ano po.
Still doing rescue, and we can have those data when they would be back in their offices and do the reports. But as soon as they are available, we will try to communicate them.
We can easily speculate that the medieval people of Japan were capable of building megalithic structures. However, the Japanese medieval people document still not fully excavated. Just like Ishi no Hoden, there is a constant flow of water beneath the structure. With the Osirian, it's been well documented and known that the water Masuda no Iwafun, which translates to the rock ship of Masuda. This incredible megalith weighs 800 tons and is carved from a single piece of granite. However, the theory that the Yonaguni monument might be man-made is not without its merits and continues to be a subject of intense research and exploration. The precise precise stonework. The cuts and drill holes in these stones are so fine and exact that they have led some to speculate about the possibility of advanced prehistoric stone cutting techniques.
いずれ風に吹き落とされる。ドリームカムトゥルー。
被爆。
feet in length, which is 490 meters. This makes the surface area of this tomb bigger than the surface area of the pyramids of Giza, and makes the Daisen Kofun.
Mga kababayan, habang sa mga oras na ito, Igan, kung kahapon medyo sumikat na ang haring araw, ay muli na namang kumulimlim dito sa Naga City at nagkakaroon na naman ng mga pag-ulan. Pero sa ating
and concern among those who know the legend. This enigmatic behavior of the turtle stone has led to various speculations about its nature and origins. One intriguing
father, Manasseh, had made, and he served them. Wow! Ano, sa panahon natin ngayon, ang isip natin, yung paniniwala ng marami. Tayo ay
floating stone due to its unique placement. The design of this stone is highly unusual. It resembles a component of a vast machine, almost like a cube with a textural and historical significance they embody. The Okinawa turtle tombs are meticulously carved from limestone, a sedimentary rock prevalent in the region, which
also ignores weakness type with a third hit, and the amount of toughness broken is affected by your charge stacks. You already know what I'm gonna say about Silverwolf, but in case you didn't, I'm actually gonna gatekeep that joke from you. That might be a little confusing, so the TLDR of our
祝いでもあるが、同時に在校生にとっても年に一度の大きなお祭りでもある。若者同士、新入生と一緒に入学して学内